Are you looking for the best pressure washers? In this video we will look at some of the 8 best pressure washers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sun Joe Electric Pressure Washer. Experience powerful and versatile cleaning with the Sun Joe Electric Pressure Washer. Equipped with a 14.5 amp/1800 watt motor, it generates up to 2030 psi of water flow, allowing you to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks such as homes, buildings, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, patios, and lawn equipment. It also features 2 onboard detergent tanks that carry and store different types of detergent to simultaneously tackle different cleaning projects. With the total stop system, the pump automatically shuts off when the trigger is not engaged, saving energy and prolonging the pump's life. Ensure a fully functioning washer by properly and securely fastening all hoses and cleaner connections. Number 2. Westinghouse EPX 3050 Electric Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse EPX 3050 Electric Pressure Washer is a powerful and lightweight pressure washer that offers up to 2050 psi and 1.76 GPM of deep cleaning water pressure. It features a pro-style steel extendable 17.5-inch wand with quick connect nozzles, a 25-foot easy coil nylon braided hose, and a 20 ounces 600 milliliters onboard soap tank. It also has 4 quick-lock wheels with 360 degrees steering design and low center of gravity for anti-tipping design. Customers have praised its easy setup, powerful cleaning, and long hose. Number 3. Westinghouse 3200 psi Gas Pressure Washer. Experience powerful and deep cleaning water pressure with the Westinghouse 3200 psi Gas Pressure Washer. Perfect for decks, sidewalks, siding, fences, garage floors, exterior walls, cars, and patio furniture. This pressure washer features a 3200 psi and 2.5 GPM which can easily blast away dirt and grime. With a half-gallon onboard soap tank, you can easily switch between water and soap for an even deeper clean. The 25-foot hose and lightweight spray gun make it easy to maneuver and reach every nook and cranny. Plus, the tough steel frame construction and never-flat wheels make it easy to transport and store. Get your cleaning done fast with the Westinghouse 3200 psi Gas Pressure Washer. Number 4. Westinghouse EPX 3500 Electric Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse Pressure Washer is a powerful cleaning tool with 2500 max psi and 1.76 GPM water flow, ideal for deep cleaning tasks. Its pro-style steel wand with 5 quick-connect nozzles allows versatile cleaning options for cars, fences, driveways, and more. The compact and lightweight design, along with 4 360 degrees steering wheels, ensures easy maneuverability without the risk of tipping. With features like an onboard soap tank and automatic pump stop, you can effortlessly tackle heavy-duty cleaning tasks with energy efficiency and convenience. Number 5. Craftsman Electric Pressure Washer. Powerful cleaning, added benefit, storage organization, and long-lasting performance are what you can expect from this electric pressure washer. With 1700 max psi and 1.2 GPM, you can easily clean dirt and grime from your outdoor surfaces. The pressure washer gun comes with a soap applicator bottle, making it easy to switch between soap and water. Onboard nozzle, pressure washer hose, cord, and wand storage keep accessories organized, so you don't have to search for them when you need them. The 20-feet kink-resistant hose eliminates hassle and provides long-lasting performance. With a 35-feet power cord, you can easily reach the farthest corners of your yard. This pressure washer is certified by the Cleaning Equipment Trade Association, CETA, so you can be sure of its quality. Number 6. Westinghouse EPX 3100V Electric Pressure Washer. Westinghouse Pressure Washer provides 2100 max psi for deep cleaning, 1.76 GPM water flow, a steel wand with quick connect nozzles, and a detachable foam cannon. The high pressure is ideal for washing cars, fences, driveways, and home exteriors. The lightweight design with a built-in handle allows easy transport. The detachable foam cannon enables the use of detergents for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. The automatic pump stop feature saves energy and prolongs the pump's lifespan. Number 7. Greenworks Electric Pressure Washer. Transform the appearance of your cars, fences, patios, and driveways with this powerful pressure washer. With 2000 psi and 1.1 GPM, it can blast through grime and dirt to restore your surfaces. The 25-foot pressure hose provides greater reach without sacrificing power, and the 35-foot power cord with inline GFCI allows you to use it on all exterior outlets. The soap siphon hose lets you switch from pressure washing to using cleaning detergents, making it a versatile tool for medium-duty projects. With PWMA certification, you can trust this electric pressure washer to deliver impressive results. Number 8. DeWalt DXPW3300S. The DeWalt gas pressure washer is a powerful and durable cleaning tool that is perfect for various outdoor cleaning tasks. With its easy-to-assemble and easy-to-start DeWalt 208 cubic centimeters premium residential engine, this pressure washer is great for cleaning decks, patios, outdoor furniture, house siding, and prepping home exteriors for painting. The reliable OEM Technologies axial cam pump delivers a high pressure of 3,300 psi at a flow rate of 2.4 GPM, ensuring effective and efficient cleaning. The compact and lightweight design makes it portable and easy to maneuver, while the 10-inch premium pneumatic tires provide stability on any terrain. The pressure washer also comes with quality accessories including a 25-foot high-pressure hose, 5 quick connect nozzle tips, an ergonomic spray gun, and a 16-inch steel wand/lance. With the DeWalt gas pressure washer, you can tackle any cleaning task with ease and achieve professional results.